Okay, hi. So for example, if you want to do the group assignment for our team, the photo, we want a background remover, right? So first, type a background remover, then we select the free one. Okay, then select it. Okay, then we upload the image that we already picked. Okay, first there is a background right behind. Then just download the free one. So check the outcome. Okay, good. Okay, then we go to our super background. For me, I want it in F4, so we pick that. So if I want to upload the photo, first upload the photo that already removed the background. So if you want the background to be blue, red, choose for yourself, but right now I want the background to be white. Okay, then just upload. Then just adjust your photo, make it fit in. Okay, then we can just download as a JPG. Okay, then download. Okay, already have. Then we go back to our slide and just upload the JPG that we already download. Okay, there you are. Then just fit in to the shape that you want. So just crop the photo until it's done. Okay, done. Then you already got the photo with the white background. This is the example if your photo have the background. This if your friend have a white background but you just want that have a background. So done. Thank you for watching.